Hello everyone, it's Monday morning with ChrisKonkle here from ChrisKonkleVlogs. Thank you all for your subscriptions and your views. We hit over 700 hours watch minutes, so that's fantastic. Or sorry, 700 watch hours, 505 subscribers. It's outstanding, guys. So just for that, I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown on the Bobcat. Okay, so we got this wrencher from Cooper. Alright, it's the Bobcat. The S570, pretty common. So when you come up, it opens up just like a normal, just push it in, open it up. And you can see inside you got two hand controls. Alright, lots of buttons and gadgets that do all sorts of things. And you got your foot pedals down the ground. And your safety bar. Okay, lights, everything. So once you get in, shut the door. Put down the safety bar. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so we're in the Bobcat. The safety bar is down. Okay, we can now switch it to on. All right, and this one here is password. So you just type in the password to start it. There's no key. Where is the? So yeah, I hope everyone had a good weekend. They're never long enough, right? So I got so there you go. So the password's good. So the dash is lit up. All right. So we're gonna go check. Parking brake is off. We're gonna now just turn the key to start it. Whoa, it's a little bit on a pole. It's been all weekend. It started right up. It's awesome. Alright, so you can see now, to operate the bucket, to get going here, you gotta push this button in to release the lock. And then make sure, I like to steer with my feet. So we can check put the speed up a little here. Foot pedal on. Override. There you go, see? You kick the right foot back to tilt your bucket up, you push your right foot down to tip it down, and the same with your left foot. You press down to lift up, and down to press down. Alright, so when you're driving, you want to lift it up and keep your forks up. Alright, so it's a two-handed process, okay? The left stick will steer you towards the right and pull you back, and the same with the right stick, okay? But I need both hands to steer it properly. So, yeah, pretty basic. When you park it, make sure your bucket's down, okay? Put your bucket down, your forks are down, like so, okay? And then that's how I always take my speed down, and yeah, just turn the key to stop, turn it off. Simple as that. So yeah, guys, just make sure you follow those simple steps. Make sure you do your inspections before you do walk around. Make sure your tires are all good and all that. We just had a tire replaced on this. So you can see, yeah, there's our brand new tire, popped the other day. Sometimes you get like your lifts, your EWPs with foam filled tires, they'll never break, but the Bobcat has air still. So I'm not sure if I'm pretty sure on an oil field site they'd have to be filled with foam. But anyways, yeah, that's the rundown, a quick rundown of the Bobcat. You can see, if I get into more advanced, I'll show you how to manually and automatically change the bucket to forks and change it with the buckets. It's pretty simple. You just got to make sure you unlatch these. There's controls inside that'll do that electronically. And you'll see the whole bucket will detach. There's like little forks in there, you see? Excuse me. This thing's featured with, oh gosh. Yeah, so you open up the back, there's a little latch side here, and just pull it, open it up, and you see diesel fuel, right? But yeah, this engine's looking pretty good. This whole machine's been well maintained. You'll find all your warning information here. There should be a manual inside with your inspection form, so yeah, go ahead and check the fluids and all that. But yeah, it's looking really good, guys. I'm going to be starting the part 2 of the steel stud demising wall. We're going to do another 400 feet of 6-inch 16 gauge demising wall on 2-foot centers. So this time I'll go more in detail about layout and what we do with the saws and chop saws and how to probably cut things, and what, you know, I'll probably have one of the boys filming me while I'm explaining it, so I can get into more detail. Not like last time. I learned a lot about what I should be saying, what I missed last time. So keep tuned, because my next more and more videos I do, the more in depth I'll be getting into the processes of what I'm doing. But yeah, this is the finished product. What we're aiming to achieve here with the rest of the 400 feet. So we're going to be dividing this bay here. So this front 50, or this front whatever it is, 100 feet by 50 is already leased to it. They have most of the units leased out. So we got 5 demising walls going across here. They're going to be ripping out that entire side, and the other side be all brand new cladding. There'll be overhead doors. The concrete is looking really good. Make sure you check out my concrete videos. I did 2, one on grade beams, and then one I did kind of like a mashup on our pour and strip day. I didn't really get into a whole lot of detail, but you can see by the video what you have to do. It's pretty straightforward. But yeah, I can't thank you all enough for watching. Like and subscribe, and yeah, I also got like 400 shares this weekend, so that was very, very good. I appreciate everything, guys. The more support that I get will show people, like I'm trying to get as many tools together as I can. You know, good tools. I'm starting in Canada here with I'm approaching a few people, so you know, not just the Tues tools. I want to get a whole outlet, like a whole store together online here for you guys. So make sure you check out ChrisKonkleVlogs. I'm starting a blog as well. I'll try to I'll post once a week with that. I'm trying to get it up, you know, 2 or 3 videos a week and one blog. And I'm trying to post to Facebook at least twice a week. But you know, it is a lot of work with the when you're working full time, right? So I got this full-time job, plus I estimate part-time, you know, and then I have ChrisKonkleVlogs.com I'm trying to put together. So it's very busy, and plus the 3 kids. It's very busy, but it's a lot of fun. I love video. It's my passion, and yeah. So thanks for watching. This is Chris from ChrisKonkleVlogs. Take care, guys. Be safe out there. You know, also, while I'm here, I might as well give you guys a quick rundown on the Genie boom here. I'm going to be using this today just to do my bracing, so I'll let the electricians use the scissor lift over there. And so you see there's a foot pedal. Okay, you have to push that down to do any operation. So when you first get here, obviously the stop is going to be down. Pull the stop. You're going to hear the beeping. If not too cold, we can try to heat this up. Okay, so there's a button here. It looks like a little coil. Right there. Okay, so it's this button here. We push it down for like 30 seconds to warm up the engine when it's first cold. Okay, so and we'll see how if it warms up. We can push in the key and hear it. Oh, it looks like it's gonna start. Oh, almost. Okay, so we're gonna just heat it up a little bit more before we start it again. Yeah, these things are awful with the exhaust. Oh my goodness. So there isn't a choke on this. Oh, you can see. Look at that dirty smoke. Ugh. Come on, baby, start. Yeah, there we go. So we're good. I'm gonna let that warm up a little bit, but you can see the controls here. Okay. You have to put your foot down on the pedal to drive. Okay, so this is your main boom, up and down. This is your secondary boom here, in and out, up and down, or in and out, I believe, and this is up and down. And then, yeah, this is an articulating boom, so it's got like 2 booms. But yeah, you can see all the different controls. This is to drive. You got your steering right here, left or right, backward and forward. You can also see the blue here means that you're in forward position, and yellow is in backward position. You can see on the boom itself there is those arrows, so you might match them up. It'll tell you if you're forward or backward. Obviously when you're backwards it drives and operates slower. You have turtle and rabbit speed, and then you have all your bucket adjustments here. So yeah, and a horn of course. You have auxiliary power, you can turn on and off, there's a plug right. No. So if you're up in the top and you get stuck, you can always come back down. So yeah, look at that dirty exhaust. That is disgusting. So and then you got your base controls here. So your big stop, auxiliary power, and you can operate all your boom functions can be done from here as well. Same thing with the start here. You got your hours on there. You always write down your hours on your FLHAs and your inspections. So yeah, check all your. Oh man, you got your gauges up there. But also, I wanted to show you the key. So the key is switched to basket. So that means the basket will control. That means this ground controls are disabled right now. You have to switch it to ground, which is this straight up and down off, and then turn to the right is ground controls. And then you can operate with the ground. Start it, stop it, or you can always stop it with the button, with the red button. But yeah, right on, guys. And not but last least, we got the Skyjack, the scissor lift. So watch your step coming up. Okay, you can see you got outriggers. Hey, Jamie. Yeah, this bad boy's got the outriggers going. Fucking simple controls. You got your ground. You turn to the right to operate your drive functions, and straight up and down is your basket functions, up and down. And of course, to the left is completely off. So we're gonna turn it to just ground control right now. Pull out your stop button. This button is actually green, believe it or not. But you push this button in and the start. You can choke it if you need, but this was already going today, so I'm just gonna assume it's gonna start. Nope. So see all three there? Yeah, then it started. So you got pretty basic controls. You gotta hold the green button in to operate. So you press the green button in and then turn your buttons. Okay, so you got up and down basically with this one. There is no boom. So you got rapid speed. If you're operating on a slope, then you can select slope. What that'll do is slow the movement down. It'll crawl when you're driving, and up and down will go a lot slower as well. So to keep it at rapid or speed or high speed, you keep it on the level ground function. Same with the outriggers. They'll self-level, so you just press them down. You'll have to probably hold this button down at the same time, and then yeah, you'll hear the gas go up really high, rev up while they're going down, and then when the gas settles down, you know that you're level and you're good. So yeah, it's simple as that. So remember when you're to drive it, turn it to the right. To operate the basket, turn it straight up and down. Simple as that. Okay, guys. Don't forget, you guys got anchor points to tie off on. Don't tie off on the bars, okay? You got to tie off to the anchors. See, there should be plenty of anchors. This baby's got 6 anchors, so make sure you tie off to those. Okay, guys. Bye for now.